Hi everyone. So today I'm just going to do a little craft tour of what I have so far. I'm organizing my craft area, I guess is what you'd call it. So this is one desk and I have a bunch of supplies on here, different things that I'm working on, die cuts, jewelry, journaling, card stuff, belly band / tag stuff, envelopes. Then I have this, which is full of scraps. It's just a scrap drawer. Then I have this, which is full of my stamps. Then this drawer is full of my different paints and stuff. And then I have a pile here of different fabrics I've coffee dyed in the last couple weeks. Now, we'll go over to this area. I have a bunch of random stuff here yet. Still making my way on organizing all my coffee dyed papers that I've done so far this summer. Random fabric and laces and just piles of it. Then these are old like handkerchiefs and stuff. I just keep them all stuck in here. So we got that so far. Then I have a pile right here of stuff that I want to do with covers, ideas, junk journals that I've already made are in here, more fabric that I need to go through, a magazine rack that I just got actually today, and then my lovely corkboard display for my jewelry. Then we come over here. Oh, and a guitar that I got told I needed to alter. So now over here is my main desk that you will be hopefully seeing me film on. I just moved it from my bedroom to my living room this week, so that's kind of why I haven't been on all that much. I've been reorganizing. But I have all my like little small stuff and some ephemera and random stuff there, wipes, a book that I want to make soon, my little utensils here, my bone folder, tweezers, glues, eyeshadows, distress ink. I have it all like somewhat organized. I have my main washi tapes that I use, staples and paper clips. These are all like my scrap stuff underneath notebooks. Alright, them are vocal points that I haven't used yet. Word stuff. Ephemera I've already made. Random box of stuff. That is, I think again, ephemera that is going to a particular junk journal, the vintage journal that we started on a while ago. And then behind it is my ideas. Then right there is like my unmounted stamps. Then this is like my mixed media stuff. This is my unfinished ephemera. These are pages to random books that I think would be cool. And these are all the journals that I plan on making in the next year. Oh, and I have cards, just a thing full of cards, and cardboard for spines, and then my little journals that I like to use here. Now this ain't all of it yet. This is all my unfinished mixed media stuff, and that's fabric I still have to go through, and that's more stuff that I have to go through that I got this weekend. Alright, sorry, switching ends here. So these are fabric flips and pockets and some more fabric that I coffee dyed. That's tape and hot glue. That's something I don't know yet. That's paper I'm planning on coffee dyeing. Then my large cutter, a money jar that me and the kids have. This is a project that I am planning on doing eventually. Then, and here I have my guest checkbooks on one side. This side's empty yet. Necklace or bracelet that I'm planning on redoing. My dictionary papers are back here. Then I have stuff to make homemade paper here and all kinds of stuff. And then I have my scrapbooking paper right here and all my golden books. So I have a lot of golden books that I am planning on taping eventually here. This is my glue sticks, washi, random stuff that I need to have. Then in my bedroom I have all my sewing gear and everything. I'm going to take you back over here. Just remember, I am a single mom, so a lot of my craft stuff is very mixed in with my kids' things. But here, so you have something to look at as I'm talking. This month of August, I'll admit I'm going to be very busy in a month. Well, in 2 weeks. It ain't going to be a month, it's going to be 2 weeks. And it's going to be so busy that I'm going to film when I have a chance, but you may not have or see me have a video up for a few days at a time. I'm normally diligent on trying to make sure I get one out daily, but I'm not too sure if I can or not. Now I am going to do another giveaway next month. It's just not going to be at the beginning of the month. It's going to be at the end of the month because I will not be home. My grandmother is having knee surgery, then we're having our annual family get together, and I'm going to be so busy with that, I'm going to have a hard time crafting. I know this. When I get busy like that, I don't have time, which sucks, but it's the truth, and I'm going to be honest about it. I will try to film in between as much as I can, but in case I don't, you know why. I am going to make an effort though. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will be filming again. Hopefully there will be a new video tomorrow. Bye.